Bankroll Betty struck yet another bank today. She and her 3 girls pillaged a whopping $35,000 from downtown Regional today. Who dares to stop these dangerous damsels? Just how many more banks will they plunder? Will they ever stop?
Hello?
Hey Mom, have you thought about which place you like the most?
Oh, they're all really nice. They're really quite lovely.
Well, just let me know so I can call in for a tour. But I'll talk to you later after I finish for the day. Love you.
Love
Bye.
you too, son.
Hello?
Arlena, I need help reliving
tell
the
you
glory
when you get
days.
here.
And I need a car. I don't have my license anymore.
Betty, is that you? What are you getting your foot stuck in this time? Okay, I'll be there as soon as I can.
Arlena, I am so glad you're here. I'm really down on my luck. I can't pay my bills on my fixed income.
Oh, Betty, how much do you owe?
About $22,000. If I can't pay my bills, my son wants me to go to a retirement home.
That's awful.
That's why I called. I know I said I'd never go back, but I need one more job.
I'm in.
Great. Okay, Arlena, let's go. Regional Bank. Low security, easy in, easy out, $50,000.
What's the time in and time out?
1 minute if nobody backs up.
And if they do?
They won't.
You said that last time.
Last time was different.
Hi ma'am, how are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm doing alright. What can we do for you?
Let me see your hands.
Okay.
I want $50,000 in this bag in the next 30 seconds. Don't even think about touching that alarm to your right. Thank you, sweetie.
Panic in downtown today. Its downtown regional bank was robbed of $50,000 by an unknown assailant.
Still got it.
Who got the beats in the rhymes 2 times? Phenomena together. And a message to the crews that hawk and jock in like MTV back in the day. We super rockin', beats to the rhymes.